tutorial, we will learn how to connect the internal headers. Internal headers are meant for the CPU cabinet's USB port, audio in/out, power on, reset, LED, etc. The wires that need to be connected will be hanging in the CPU cabinet. To connect them, we need to go through the manual of the motherboard. I am using Gigabyte's motherboard, hence for power, reset, LED, etc. I will use the front panel. For audio, I will use the front audio panel. For USB 2.0 and 3.0, I will use the USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 headers. So just go through the motherboard's manual and connect the cables. That's it with this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. Please rate, comment, subscribe and visit techbarrack.com.